Clear? Second compound, again I put the second compound is again very very unique in the sense that, so what I'm going to put the compound is, I put the word smoke, SMOG. The word is very simple in meaning, what we commonly called a combination of smoke and fog. Okay, but here as per the pollution what we are requiring is that we categorize them into two. One is what we commonly called photochemical smoke, and second is what we commonly called with the term classical smoke. Both is very important. So smoke is polluted, as per the pollution, classified into classical smoke, and the other one is called photochemical smoke. Okay, then again if I put the common word, I think the word is more familiar. This is very commonly called with the term the Great London Smoke, occurred in 1950s in London, leading to 4,000 deaths London. So it's very commonly called with the term London smoke. London smoke. Okay, and this is very commonly called with the term Los Angeles smoke, occurred in 1950s. Both are the same period. So in 1950s in London happened is London smoke. In the same period at Los Angeles a smoke was outbroken, leading to a death of 2,300 people, what we commonly call photochemical smoke. Okay, but the question word is London smoke or photochemical, or by the word Los Angeles smoke. Point number one. Okay, and see the second point, photochemical smoke is usually formed by the reaction between hydrocarbon with the compound, namely oxides of nitrogen, in presence of light, and you are getting a compound. Already I said the compound peroxide, acyl nitrate. So this is a compound I said in the example for secondary pollution. But see the word there, hydrocarbon reacting with oxides of nitrogen in presence of light. Light is very very important there. You are getting a new compound, a secondary pollutant, peroxide, acyl or acetyl nitrate. Okay, so that's why the word is photochemical smoke. Okay, but it's a product of condensation by the compounds, namely hydrocarbon with the compound, namely oxides of nitrogen. Light is a mediator. Okay, and here when we go for a classical smoke, the culprit molecule is sulfur dioxide. So it's normally formed by the compound, namely sulfur dioxide. Again, if I put the source of sulfur dioxide, naturally the compound is formed from volcano eruptions. As you know that lava rich in sulfur compounds. Okay, but naturally sulfur dioxide emission occurring due to volcano eruptions. Okay, second point is that, again you know the word coal. So India standing second position in the consumption of coal in the world. രണ്ടാമത്തെ പൊസിഷനാണ്. When you burn coal, one of the bicompound is sulfur dioxide. That's one of the biggest issue in India, because India consuming coal second in the world. So when you are using coal or when you burn coal for energy, it emits the compound sulfur dioxide. And third is your automobile industries, car, truck, bus, anything across, when you burn fuel, it emitting the compound sulfur dioxide. That's why you might read in the paper that Bharat 6 2020 with low sulfur emission. ഇല്ലേ, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പുതിയ 2020 രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ ബുക്ക് എന്താണ്, ഭാരത് 6 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിനകത്ത് എന്താണ്, ലോ സൾഫർ എമിഷൻ, ലെസ് ദാൻ 10%. 10% കുറവായിരിക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാറിന് എന്ത് കിട്ടത്തില്ല, രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ കിട്ടത്തില്ല. അപ്പോൾ യുവർ ഫ്യൂൾ ഷുഡ് ബി ദാറ്റ് വേ, ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് എമിറ്റ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 10% of sulfur compounds. My point is again very simple. Automobiles, volcano, coal producing the compound called sulfur dioxide. Okay, then this normally leads to lung issues, more probably lung allergy. That means breathing suffocation or lung syndromes, and this normally affecting skin allergy, very commonly skin allergy, even leading to bleeding. So again, see, in eye, soft skin will be ruptured, leading to bleeding. Nasal cavity break, leading to bleeding. So that's why in Delhi in 2019, the schools and colleges are shut down due to photochemical smoke, because this will rupture your membrane, either in skin, either in eye, or in mouth, or in nasal tract, leading to oozing of blood. So what we commonly call skin damage, skin allergy, caused by the compound, namely photochemical smoke. Okay, then again, generally we call classical smoke by the term called winter smoke, because the other is called with the term summer smoke. Light is critical. A question can mean that way also. We commonly call photochemical smoke by the word summer smoke, and the later one is called with the term winter smoke. Okay, so that means my point is very simple. This is very common along the winter season, and this will be very common along the summer period. So we commonly call London smoke or by the term winter smoke, photochemical smoke, Los Angeles smoke, or summer smoke. So that's the second word called smoke. What is smoke? What are the two types? What are the reason? What will be the damage? Okay, in 2019, New Delhi suffocated by photochemical smoke. Okay, in 50s it was recorded from Los Angeles, 50 70 കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടായി ഡൽഹിയിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി ഡൽഹിയിൽ ഉണ്ടായതുകൊണ്ട് അവിടെ മാത്രമല്ല ഇത് കിടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. എന്താണ്? ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗോയിങ് ടു സ്പ്രെഡ് ഇൻ മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ മെട്രോപൊളിറ്റൻ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. Okay, but that's an issue we are going to face, the even called photochemical smoke, second pollution. Okay, so carbon monoxide I said the word photochemical smoke. Okay, then one more ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. Number 3. Again, the third one is again what we commonly call with the term, so again a very common word, so the word is very familiar to you, I think, blue baby syndrome. And medically it is what we commonly call with the term cyanosis. It's a very familiar word, blue baby syndrome, or we commonly called cyanosis. Okay, and see the word there. It is a very common syndrome recording only newborn babies or infants, not among the elder people. Okay, point number 1, very familiar among the newborn babies. Number 2, the first record of blue baby syndrome from Romania, Bulgaria during 1973. 73 കറക്റ്റ് ഇയർ 73 70s Romania, Bulgaria have got the record of blue baby syndrome, and it is fatal, non-recoverable. വന്നു പോയാൽ റിക്കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, ഫേറ്റൽ ആണ്, fatal, non-recoverable. Okay, so what it implies, see the word there, it's because of the compound called oxides of nitrogen, that again binding with the same molecule we said many times hemoglobin, and you are getting a compound what we commonly called methemoglobin. So that's a very good option in the question paper, methemoglobin, and this binding is again irreversible. Okay, see the point here, like where carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen binding irreversibly, permanently with hemoglobin, forming a compound methemoglobin, so leading to non-availability of oxygen to the babies. Okay, and as a consequence of that, the blood color changing into bluish. Okay, the blood color changing into bluish, that will be reflected along the chin of the baby, mouth കാണാൻ പറ്റും, blue tinge, and again spreading along the back of the baby. പുറം നോക്കിയാൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും, ഒരു blue coloration കാണും. And the child start crying, not getting the oxygen, if not treated, leading to fatality. So it's prevalent among the people, among the infants, so leading to death of the baby. Okay, in what may be the reason I said that it's because of oxides of nitrogen. You can see the word mother is not affected, child is affected. Okay, mother is not affected, child is affected because of this compound. The source is nothing other than two components. One is fertilizer, the large scale utilization of fertilizers. Fertilizer, രണ്ട് automobiles. രണ്ടാമത്തെ പോയിന്റ് ഉള്ളത്, ആദ്യത്തെ പോയിന്റ് ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ, fertilizer, because you know the word NPK. Again, India standing second position in the consumption of nitrogen containing fertilizer in the world. ഇപ്പോൾ കോളിനകത്തും ഇന്ത്യ സെക്കൻഡ് ആണ്, നൈട്രജൻ ഫെർട്ടിലൈസറിനകത്തും ഇന്ത്യ സെക്കൻഡ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നൈട്രജൻ ഫെർട്ടിലൈസർ കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ മണ്ണിലാണ് ഇടുന്നത് അല്ലേ, നൈട്രജൻ മണ്ണിലാണ് സപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, നൈട്രേറ്റ് ഫോം ചെയ്യും, ലീച്ചിങ് ഇൻ ടു ദ വാട്ടർ ബോഡി, ഫ്രം ദ വാട്ടർ ബോഡി or through the food she is eating, reaching to the mother, from the mother it's moving to the baby. Okay, and our body is more resistant to this compound comparing child, because newly born baby aanu, developing aanu, so he or she will be affected. Okay, well, that's the reason why I said that mother is safer and child will be affected, leading to fatality or death. And recently you can see the point, 70s ലാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്, ബൾഗേറിയ, റൊമേനിയ, പഞ്ചാബ് recorded syndromes, because as you know that പഞ്ചാബ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ പറയാനല്ല എന്താണ്, ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ലാർജസ്റ്റ് അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പഞ്ചാബാണ്. But now Punjab is visualizing the tragedy caused by nitrogen. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇപ്പം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പിന്നെ ഡയറക്ഷൻ മാറാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്, across the world including India we are recommending organic farming. ആ ചോദ്യം എവിടെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്ത് എങ്ങോട്ട് വരും കൂടെ നോക്കുക. So that's why across the India we are recommending the even called organic farming. because പേപ്പറിലൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വാക്ക് കേൾക്കണം, ZBNF. കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? കഴിഞ്ഞ ബഡ്ജറ്റിനകത്തും പറഞ്ഞു, ഒരു മാസം മുമ്പ് the Honorable Finance Minister of India recommended farmers to adapt CBNF, Zero Budget Natural Farming. Zero Budget Natural Farming. Zero Budget Natural Farming എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഓർഗാനിക് ഫാമിംഗ് ആണ് റെക്കമെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ഐഡിയ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന സ്റ്റേറ്റ് കർണാടകയാണ്. കർണാടക ബ്രോഡ് ദി സ്കീം. അവരുടെ ബ്രെയിൻ ചൈൽഡ് ആയിരുന്നു ഈ പറഞ്ഞ ZBNF. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് പറയപ്പെടുന്നത് പേപ്പർ ന്യൂസാണ്, ആന്ധ്രാപ്രദേശ്. 6 million farmers now adopting ZBNF. 6 million farmers. Now Andhra Pradesh declared as first state in India in the even called ZBNF. Okay, but മൂന്നാമത്തെ പോയിന്റ് എന്താണ്, ബ്ലൂ ബേബി സിൻഡ്രോം. ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഞാൻ രാവിലെ പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കുകളൊന്ന് റീകളക്ട് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വേർഡ് പ്രൈമറി സെക്കൻഡറി പൊല്യൂട്ടൻസ്, 2 കാർബൺ മോണോക്സൈഡ്, 3 ക്ലാസിക്കൽ ഫോട്ടോകെമിക്കൽ സ്മോക്ക്, 4 ബ്ലൂ ബേബി സിൻഡ്രോം. ഓക്കെ, അതിനകത്ത് ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുവന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 2019 ഡേറ്റ ബാങ്കാണ്. 0 ബഡ്ജറ്റ് നാച്ചുറൽ form. Okay.